We have the CoolBEL Convertible laptop bag. This is good for up to 17-inch laptops. I really, really like this thing. Not only can you use it as a shoulder bag, a handbag, or a backpack, it has so many compartments and places to put things, and it's just really, really intuitive with how it's designed overall. When I first was looking at these convertible type bags, I wasn't sure of what the quality would be on them. So this company gives you peace of mind. It does include a warranty. I also ended up buying an Amazon warranty with it just in case. But when I actually received the product, it is very, very high quality. I don't think there's going to be any sort of durability issues unless I'm literally throwing it against the wall or something like that. But I really, really like it a lot. There's lots of compartments. There is, a whole bunch of different sections to put things in, and then little pockets in the pockets. So definitely recommend trying this thing out. I don't actually use the backpack on it, but I've just used the shoulder strap and the actual hand straps, but it's very easy to kind of do. But yeah, it's very sleek looking considering the amount of different things you can kind of do with it though. But yeah, if you're interested, links in the description below to help support the channel. And if you found this video useful at all, please like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks, guys.